What is meant by CAD? CAD means computer aided designing. Computer aided designing. Okay. Again, you can see the Autodesk. Autodesk is one of the company. Prepare different types of CAD softwares. Prepare different types of CAD softwares. Again, the name of the software is AutoCAD. Okay, the name of the software is AutoCAD. Then next, Dassault system. Prepare one CAD software and the name is CATIA. Okay. Again, you can see PTC, Parametric Technology Corporation. Same, known as a ProE or Creo. Again, ProE is nothing but production engineer. Okay, production engineer. Again, next one, Siemens. Prepare one CAD software. Again, all are the different types of companies. Prepare one CAD software known as a NX or UG. NX or Unigraphics. UG. Okay. Again, you can see. Again, USA company, German company. Again, USA. Okay. Now see here. Again, you can just write on this one. Okay. Again, different companies prepare different types of softwares. Again, the software name is software names. Again, first one is the Autodesk, AutoCAD and Autodesk Inventor. Again, next one is the Dassault system. Again, softwares CATIA. Again, one more one, SolidWorks, and again one more one, DraftSight. SIGHT. Okay. Again, next one, PTC, ProE. Okay, or Creo. Again, next one, Siemens. Again, UGR, NX. Same company prepare one more software, that is the Solid Edge. Again, all are the different types of designing software. Again, what is the use of the different types of softwares? Again, the software is classified into two types. Parametric softwares and parametric and non-parametric. Parametric means you can design anything. The design followed by the with respect to dimensions and geometrical properties. Again, non-parametric means the design cannot followed by
any dimensions or
any geometrical properties. Okay. Again, see here. Now these two are the non-parametric. Again, non-parametric. Again, parametric. Again, parametric. Again, the PTC, Parametric Technology Corporation, first launches the parametric mode software. Then Siemens. First PTC launches the parametric mode of this software. Again, next Siemens. Again, you can see different types of analysis softwares. Again, ANSYS. Again, Nastran. Again, analysis software divided into two categories. Analysis software is divided into two categories. First one is the meshing softwares. Next one is the analysis softwares. Again, meshing, Hypermesh, ANSA. Okay, Hypermesh and ANSA. Next one is the FEMAP. Next one is the pattern and so on. Again, next one is the coming to this one, ANSYS, Nastran, Abaqus. Okay, analysis software. Coming to only CAM, Delcam
and
Mastercam. Again, we have Surface Cam also, and so on. Different edge cam, different types of software. Okay. Again, these two are the major one. Again, you can see now coming to designing part. Again, what is the use of the different types of softwares? By using AutoCAD software, you can prepare 2D and 3D designs. 2D and 3D. You can design 2D and 3D. Again, by using AutoCAD software, you can design surface designs also. But the operation is very, very difficult. Again, mostly 90% people use only for the purpose of 2D and 3D design purpose. Again, 3D also
non-parametric.
3D also difficult to design in software.
Okay.
Again, you can design 3D also very difficult in the software.
AutoCAD.
Okay, చాలా difficult గా ఉంది చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? Next one, coming to just wait for something. This one. Again, next one is the CATIA.
CATIA.
CATIA software used for the purpose of CAD purpose, okay. Again, CAE purpose and CAM purpose. Again, the CATIA software having some list of modules. By using those modules, you can prepare the design. Again, you can done the analysis. Again, you can prepare the CAM process, programming, CNC programs. Okay. Next, by using SolidWorks, you can done CAD and CAE only. Again, draft set, it is only for 2D purpose. Again, coming to Pro E, same thing, CAD, CAE and CAM supported. Okay. Again, by using NX, CAD, CAE and
Same.
CAM supported. Again, by using SolidWorks, you can prepare only
CAD.
CAD. Just write down this one first. This is first one, Sketcher. Next one, part modeling. Next one, part modeling with surface. Again, a design software and again any design software having all 6 modules. 6 modules. Again, Pro E icon. Again, how to open? Double click on the icon or otherwise right click, open. Any format. A software. PTC, Parametric Technology Corporation. Parametric means parametric mode software. Okay. Again, see here, just wait. I will see the difference between parametric and non-parametric. Now this is the opening page. Okay. Again, I am going to select the new. Again, we have different modules. Now currently I am going to, first one is the Sketcher. Select the Sketcher, specify the name of the design. Then you can specify the common name of the design. Again, I am going to design one assembly. The assembly having some assembled components. Now I am going to prepare not a design. Then I am going to prepare the, what is the mission? Common name. Just okay. Again, this is the opening page of the Sketcher. Sketcher. Again, all are the different types of drawing tools, sketching tools, different types of editing tools, different types of constraints, and different types of dimensional and inspection tools. Okay. First, this is the opening structure. After opening of the software, you can place your grid. Okay. Not a mandatory. Again, you can display the grid. Okay. Now grid representation. Now see here, just write down Sketcher main heading, AutoCAD software. Again, you can design one more circle. Again, see here, what happened here? The design followed by the dimensions. Now this is the radius or diameter. Again, this dimension is the distance between this center point to this center point. Again, you can change the dimension. Just you can select this one, changes to 15. Double click on the dimension. Now we can change the value. Okay. Now see here, again same thing, you can design AutoCAD software. Again, I am going to select the circuit. Just what happened? The design cannot followed by the dimension. Again, by using dimensional toolbar, select the radius. Again, select this one. Enter. Again, just wait. Okay. Again you can apply the double click. Not changing. Again, you can select the properties. Again, you can select the circle. Now, what is the value? Radius value 399. Again, you can select this one, changes to 200. Then it changes. This is the process of the changing the dimension. Just close this one. That is the parametric and non-parametric. Just close this one. Okay. Now, first you can write down the sketching tools. Main heading sketching tools. Main heading is the sketching tools. Now see here, first one is the line chain. By using this line chain, you can create continuous lines. Okay, line chain, first point, next point. Okay. Again, see here what happened. Now my design is complete. Still command is active condition. How to enable?
Select.
Again, you can select the select option. Enable condition. Again, you can directly Again you can directly reference the all the dimension, that is the parametric mode. Now see here next one. Now again I am going to design one more geometry, line geometry. Again still command is the active condition. Again how to deactivate?
Select.
Again disable for select option, or otherwise you can press the
Escape.
escape. Still command is active condition but detaching here. Okay, again you can design the new geometry. Okay, again you can apply the escape. Again see here escape button. Still command is the active condition. Again you can press one more time. Okay, shortcut escape 2 times, or you can use the select option. Okay, just write down this one, select option. Select one by one. Select one by one. Rectangle, corner rectangle, slanted rectangle, centered rectangle, parallelogram. Just write down all those things. Now see, first one is the corner rectangle. Select the first corner point, then you can select the second corner point. Again you can apply the escape. Again the design followed by the properties and symbols. Properties and dimensions. Again you can see the property, vertical line and horizontal lines. Okay. Now again one more one is the first you can see the center rectangle. Again you can specify the center point, then you can specify the one or corner point. Again you can specify the value with respect to center onwards. Okay. Again see here, center rectangle, corner rectangle. Again slanted rectangle. Slanted means you can design one rectangle with respect to some angle. Slanted rectangle. First you can design the first, see here, first I am going to my angle is currently angle equal to 0 degrees. Again you can specify the other dimension. Now this is the angle with 0 degrees. Again I am going to design some angle. First design the angular line, then you can specify the height. Slanted rectangle. Again next one is the parallelogram. Same thing. First design the baseline, then you can design the, then you can specify everything here. Just here. Now what is the angle here? Now see here. What is the slanting angle? Just wait. Again angle equal to 68. Again changes to 120. Okay. Angle changes to 120. Again you can design parallelogram with some slanting also directly. Parallelogram. First I am going to design line. Then you can specify the angle. That is the slanted rectangle. Again you can see here angle here. The angle changes to 70 degrees. Okay. That is about the rectangular option. Next you can see the circle. Just write down different types of circles. Again you can write down the different types of circles. Center and point, concentric, 3 point, 3 tangent. Again select the first one, center and point. Center point of the circle, other point. Again this is the dimension. Again changes to value 20, diameter value. Now see here, again next one is the concentric. What is meant by concentric? Again you can design number. Again you can design number of circle with respect to existing center point. Again select the concentric. Again I am going to design. Now see here. Again I am going to design. Now I am going to design 3 circles. Extra 3 circles with respect to same center point. For that purpose, concentric. Select this circle. Again next one. Again next one. Again this is very important while designing in 3D. Okay. While designing in 3D components, this is the very important. Okay. Already one circle is existing. By using that one, you can create the new one. Okay. Again you can edit the dimensions. Again how to see here, all the dimensions positioning only one side. All the dimensions positioning only one side. Again how to modify the positioning? Just pick and
drag it.
Just pick and drag. Just wait. Okay.
Arrow.
No problem. Okay. Then next one, 3 point circle. 3 point circle means you can choose 3 reference points. 3 reference point. Now see the example. Now I am going to design 3 lines. First line, again one more line, then next line. Now I am going to design one circle. My circle passes through these 3 points. For that purpose, 3 point, first point, second point, third point. My circle passes through these 3 points. And next one, 3 tangent. Now I am going to design 3 tangent circle. First I am going to design this example. Again I am going to design 3 circles also. Okay. Now I am going to prepare 3 tangent circle. Now this is the first tangent line, second tangent line, third tangent line. Again 3 tangent positioning. The T symbol represents tangent. Again this line tangent to this circle. Again this circle tangent to this line. Again same thing here also. Again select this one, first one, second one, third one. Okay, that is the 3 tangent. Again my requirement is, again you can create a tangent lines. How to create tangent lines? For that purpose, now first I am going to design 2 circles. Now this is the another one. How to create the tangent lines? For that purpose I am going to use the line tangent.
Okay.
Select the first circle, then you can select the first one, then you can select the second one. Again the tangent connection depend upon your requirement. Again see here, Ctrl Z. Again tangent, my requirement is this point to this point. Again you can select in this location first, then you can select in this location. Okay, that is the line tangent. Just note down this one, line tangent. Okay, that is the use of the line tangent. Then central line. By using this one you can create one central line. 5 minutes. Just continuous lines. Okay, first one. Again see here, how to design horizontal, H symbol. Again you can design angle also. Okay na? Select this one, then you can design the center line. Center line is nothing but construction line. Nothing but infinity distance. Distance equal to infinity. No starting point, no ending point. Okay, just see here. Then next one, point. Just you can choose the points, specify the points, depend upon the requirement. Okay, now next one, coordinate system. Just you can place one coordinate system, just a representation purpose. Again you can see the use of the grid system. Now currently what is the spacing here? 1 unit. Spacing is the, just you can see grid, spacing, static condition 1 unit. Just okay. Now again I am going to design one line. Now I am going to design one line from this point. Again 1 unit. Again next 2 units. Again just you can select up to this one. Okay, 12.15 correct ga mention cheyala mana. Okay na? Again ee boxes enanti 12 count chesko. Again while designing anything by using grid system, just for setting only purpose. Just a construction mode. Again you can design anything. The design followed by construction format. Okay, that's it. Pen drive unna? Okay.